Hey guys, welcome back to Richly Sweet. My name is Tiffany and I am your host. This week's episode is actually a request from a subscriber. We are going to be making Oreo balls. Some call them Oreo truffles, tomato, tomato, potato, potato. But don't worry, if you want to see something on my channel, just comment down below what you would like to see and I'll get it on the schedule. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. But don't forget to hit the subscribe button and that little bell so you get notified every time I post a video, which I post every Saturday. But first things first, let's get baking. Okay, so this recipe only requires 3 ingredients. 1 whole package of Oreos. You can have double stuff, no stuff, whatever, your choice, but 1 whole container of Oreos. 1 8-ounce block of cream cheese and almond bark. Okay, considering my blender is all the way over there and out of videoing sight, we're just gonna load it up here. But you're gonna need a blender and dump your Oreos in here. I've had some people actually make them where they scrape out the cream filling. More cream, I don't care. I've made them both ways and I prefer this way. It tastes a lot sweeter and a lot creamier and it helps hold everything together. So once you have your Oreos all crushed up, make sure you set a little bit aside for garnishing. Okay, now get your cream cheese, preferably at room temperature. It works a lot better. Get your hair out of the way. Don't touch nothing. Make sure your hands are clean because you are diving in and smushing it. Yes, smushing it. I've watched people do this with a blender, mixer. Smush it. You're gonna make a huge Oreo ball is what you're gonna do. So smush it and I'll show you what it's supposed to look like when we're done. Okay, when you're done, you should have a whole Oreo ball like this. It should look just like a creamy little ball and it'll be perfect. Next, you're gonna take a cookie sheet and my favorite scooper. This one is the smaller one. I'm not sure exactly what size it is, but you're gonna scoop it right into your hands and make a little ball. That's all you do, okay? Well, that's not all you do. We still have the final step, but make a little ball, place it on your cookie sheet, and then fill your cookie sheet up. So let's speed this up. Now that your Oreo balls are all placed on the pan, go ahead and stick these in the freezer for 15 minutes to get them nice and solid. You got to remember, these have to be solid for the next part to work. Once your Oreo balls are completely frozen, you're going to heat up your almond bark in 30 seconds portions until you get a nice and creamy chocolate-based cover. And then don't forget to get your crumbs, but you are going to just take your Oreo ball and drop it right inside, cover it, get a good coating. Make sure you trip off the excess. That's why it's best to use a fork to do this so you can get the excess off. Go ahead and drip it off, get you some sprinkles and garnish that. And do that to the rest of them and we'll be right back. And here we are at the finished product. This dessert is 100% beginner friendly, so easy and fun to make, and it's super delicious too. You can totally change the toppings on these to make them fit any function that you are going to, maybe 4th of July, Easter, Christmas. Change the toppings, change the theme. These are, like I said, so easy and so beginner friendly. Let me know in the comments what you want to see next. I'm thinking about trying to bring in the Taco Bell empanada some point in time, just because I've been craving them. But let me know what you want to see, because I'm here to please you guys. Let me know what you want to see. But until next time, my name is Tiffany, and this is Richly Sweet.